The smartwatch controls your boat? Garmin Quatix 7 is straight-up nautical witchcraft. Ever felt like your boat has a better memory than you? Tides turning, anchors dragging, and your GPS? Yeah, it's stuck buffering like it's 2002. You're flipping between 5 apps, 2 marine gadgets, and a sketchy chart you swore you'd replace last season. Whether you're a weekend wave chaser or a full-time sea dog, tech burnout at sea is very real. Managing your boat and your sanity shouldn't feel like multitasking in a blender. Welcome to the frustrating reality of unreliable tech and digital overload, where your precious me time turns into a floating stress factory. Sound familiar? Now crank that chaos up a notch. Storms brewing, deadlines blowing in like rogue waves, and your crew's looking at you like you're the autopilot. You're missing tide shifts, overnapping on anchor drags, and juggling 3 remotes like a circus clown on deck. Burnout? Creeping in faster than a cold front. Missed waypoints, lost fish, and worst of all, lost time. Your boat's supposed to be a break from the grind, but it's turning into just another high-stress operation. You didn't sign up to be Captain Spreadsheet. This isn't the dream, this is driftwood-level productivity. Enter the Garmin Quatix 7, the GPS smartwatch that doesn't just watch, it rules the waves. This is your all-access pass to marine mastery. We're talking autopilot control from your wrist, real-time tide and anchor alerts, waypoint marking without leaving your spot, and Fusion-Link stereo vibes mid-sunset. Touchscreen? Buttons? Both. And off the boat? It's a beast, hiking, skiing, surfing, golfing, even nap tracking, you earned it. It's got maps, heart rate, payments, and boatloads more, literally. The Quatix 7 isn't just a watch. It's the only first mate you'll never want to fire. No more toggling between toys or missing the action to run to the helm. With Quatix 7, your workflow's as clean as a freshly swabbed deck, streamlined, simplified, and sharp. Crush every mission, from angling to anchoring, like you've got Poseidon's blessing. With up to 18 days of battery, 100-meter water resistance, and connectivity that puts old-school marine tech to shame, this watch is the upgrade your sea life's been begging for. Wanna ditch the chaos and captain like a boss? Hit the link below. Your future self, fish count, and crew will high-five you hard. Don't wait till your gear glitches midstorm where you miss the perfect fishing window. The Garmin Quatix 7 is making waves, and stock's tighter than a sail in full wind. Thousands of savvy skippers and weekend warriors are already on board, why not you? Whether you're yacht flexin' or lake chillin', this is your all-in-one ticket to smarter, smoother, way more fun boating. Life on the water's too short for weak tech. So hit that button. Snag the Quatix 7. And start living the legend. Your boat deserves a brain, and it's got one now.